Hello, dear friends. Welcome to the newsletter. I'm here with some exciting news that's bound to change the game in how we approach our daily tasks, and more importantly, how we can enhance our earnings. Today, we're diving into the world of Microsoft Copilot Pro, an AI innovation that's more than just a new tool in our tech arsenal. It's a transformative force, reminiscent of the visionary moves Bill Gates made over 3 decades ago, which created countless millionaires. And now, Copilot Pro stands ready to do the same for those who harness its power effectively. Despite some early doubts about AI's hidden costs, Copilot Pro shines with its reasonable monthly fee of just $20, challenging even the necessity of ChatGPT. But what truly sets Copilot Pro apart? It's not merely another iteration of ChatGPT. Within Copilot Pro lies a unique feature that could be your key to financial breakthroughs, and I'm eager to share all about it. Let me guide you through some of Copilot Pro's remarkable features and how you can leverage them for your benefit. In Microsoft Word, simply open a new document, click the Copilot icon, and begin drafting by providing a prompt. Watch in amazement as Copilot generates content on the spot, ready for your refinement. With Excel, activate Copilot to parse and analyze data, offering invaluable insights and simplifying keyword research and content planning. Through PowerPoint, Copilot assists in creating detailed presentations from your prompts, crafting slides filled with relevant content and visuals ideal for webinars, videos, or educational materials. The hidden gem, profiting with Copilot Pro. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, turning Copilot Pro into a lucrative venture. With its prowess, especially in PowerPoint, you can craft captivating presentations that act as lead magnets, educational pieces, or even direct sales pitches. Combine this with affiliate marketing from platforms like ClickBank or JVZoo, and you've got a winning formula. By following these steps, choosing the right affiliate product, researching its benefits, crafting and customizing presentations in PowerPoint with Copilot, and then sharing your work across various channels, you position yourself at the forefront of affiliate marketing success. Microsoft Copilot Pro isn't just another addition to your toolkit. It's a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Whether you're focused on content creation, data analysis, or sales strategies, Copilot Pro offers a streamlined, AI-driven approach to elevate your work efficiency and profitability. So why not take the plunge and see how it can transform your professional landscape? Here's to your success. Go out there and seize this golden opportunity. Good luck. Go make money.